Power BI, click Analyze in Excel. This connects your live dataset instantly. Once Excel opens, you'll see all your Power BI tables and fields ready to use. Build a pivot table just like normal, and everything refreshes automatically. No exporting, no manual updates. Now let's add Copilot. You can ask Excel to analyze your data in plain language. For example, let's type, "What are my top campaigns?" Copilot analyzes the data in your Excel file, runs the query, and returns your top campaigns by revenue, one per year, instantly. It's a full analysis built automatically, no formulas required. To take it further, open the Excel Labs add-in from Microsoft 365 and enable Agent Mode in the ribbon. Once it's on, Excel becomes your digital analyst. Now, let's prompt it. Can you create a tab that analyzes month-over-month variance by campaign? Agent Mode will analyze your data, look up all campaigns, years, and revenue, and automatically create a new sheet in your file. It builds a complete Excel analysis, formulas, charts, and visualizations all in that new tab. From there, you can iterate, add new formulas, and expand your insights.